across every piece of land in the vast territory of China, agriculture is like a nation poem, narrating the joys of harvest and the hardships of cultivation. From hunting by hand to the emergence and use of iron tools, people began to utilize simple implements such as plows and harrows. Entering the 20th century, Chinese agriculture embarked on the path of modernization. With the vigorous development of agricultural machinery, China has become one of the largest producers of agricultural products in the world. With dreams as our steeds, we march forward with heads held high. Located in Deshan, Sichuan, Jingyan County is not merely a significant grain-producing county nationwide. Since the 1990s, this vibrant and hopeful land has fostered more than 70 outstanding agricultural machinery enterprises and talents. For more than 3 decades, the Jingyan agricultural machinery brand has been renowned across the country. Sichuan Shidong, setting sail from this very place, has been writing a glorious chapter alongside Jingyan's agricultural machinery industry. Through 32 years of trials and tribulations, it has steadily grown into an industry leader, bearing witness to the rise of China's agriculture as well as its own magnificent transformation. Starting from the humble beginnings of Puding Machinery Business Department, we have now evolved into a national high-tech enterprise, a national specialized and refined little giant enterprise, and a leading player in the agricultural machinery industry. Behind these honors and achievements lies our steadfast pursuit and relentless dedication to the advancement of agricultural machinery. At this new starting point, DawnAgro closely follows the national agricultural support policies, continuously increasing investment in technology R&D as well as innovation. We are deeply committed to manufacturing agricultural machinery products, constantly promoting product innovation and upgrades, and improving the layout of our factory production lines. Gradually, we have formed a comprehensive agricultural machinery system integrating R&D, production, and sales. As the market continues to expand and our brand influence grows, DawnAgro has clarified its company vision of making the entire industry better and its core values of pursuing excellence, constantly scaling new heights, adhering to the law, and being grateful for companions. This marks a solid step forward in our corporate culture construction. The development journey of DawnAgro is like an epic filled with passion and perseverance, chronicling countless sleepless nights, numerous technological breakthroughs, and repeated market challenges. It is precisely this journey that has shaped DawnAgro's indomitable spirit and its commitment to pursuing excellence. Upgrading business models, refreshing industries. For 30 years, DawnAgro has been committed to the R&D as well as the production of modern agricultural machinery technology. Our main products include small-scale agricultural machinery such as new-type rice mills, disc mill pulverizers, chaff cutters, and maize threshers. Currently, we have obtained 52 patents through independent R&D, including 2 invention patents, 30 utility model patents, and 20 design patents. We have now completed technological upgrades and production line renovations, possessing an annual production capacity of 300,000 units sets. We currently have 6 laser cutting machines, 2 automatic powder coating lines, over 50 universal and specialized robots, more than 200 CNC lathes, grinding machines, and milling machines, as well as 12 automatic punching machines. The company has achieved major breakthroughs in automated CNC laser cutting, ABB robotic welding, fully automatic powder coating lines, high-frequency quenching, continuous punching, CNC metal processing, and sheet metal bending. These advancements, coupled with strict quality control, have boosted efficiency, cut costs, and ensured the provision of superior, cost-effective agricultural machinery. Multiple products have been included in the agricultural machinery purchase subsidy directories of several provinces in China. With reliable quality and easy operation, our products are popular in Sichuan, Yunnan, Guizhou, Guangxi, Henan, Hebei, Shaanxi, Gansu, Hainan, Zhejiang, Guangdong, and neighboring countries, earning wide acclaim from users. In recent years, we have successfully ventured into the international market, with various models selling well in 53 countries worldwide, gaining favor from both domestic and foreign users. Distinctive advantages, outstanding achievements. We are not only a national high-tech enterprise and a grade A enterprise in quality and credit in Sichuan province, with our technology center recognized as a Sichuan Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, but also a technological enterprise in Leshan City, a Level 3 enterprise in safety production standardization for industrial and trade sectors. We have been honored with titles such as Top 10 Agricultural Machinery Enterprises in Leshan City and Advanced Enterprise with National Patent Certification in Jingyan County. Additionally, we have been included in the Sichuan Provincial High-Growth Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise Cultivation Directory and awarded the Donation Award in the 2021 DawnAgro Project, a public welfare activity aimed at alleviating poverty and supporting education. Today, DawnAgro has become a provincial-level enterprise technology center and a national specialized and refined little giant enterprise. Chairman Lei Liping has also been honored with titles such as Provincial and Municipal March 8th Red Banner Holder, an excellent Communist Party member of Leshan City. These honors are not the end point, but a new starting point. DawnAgro has always adhered to the corporate tenet of sincerity, pragmatism, quality, and efficiency, serving more agricultural machinery professionals and providing the most considerate and practical agricultural machinery products for the vast number of farmer friends.
My friend, maybe online, he saw the company, he sent me some videos from the machine that produced from this company. I see it in the video and I want to see the reality. So that is why I came here to see the reality, and I saw the reality. And I see that the machine are of high quality. We use the machine, we mill the rice, and we see the quality of the rice is really good.
Sail forward, embrace the future. The tides are calm and the shore is wide. The winds veer as the sail unfurled rides. On this vast and boundless field, DawnAgro machinery is illuminating the future of agriculture alongside the sun. We have always adhered to our original aspiration of serving agriculture. Our products have covered every corner of the country and are rapidly expanding globally. We firmly believe that wherever the sun rises, there are DawnAgro's products. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, DawnAgro machinery keeps pace with the times, striving to integrate the latest technology into our products. We pursue intelligent digitalization and automation, making agricultural machinery more efficient and precise. Let us forge ahead together, jointly ushering in a new era for agriculture and embarking on an even more glorious future.